Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed from Art and Makes, and we have who with today?
Me, Brandon.
It's Brandon. We are doing our next orange art box. This is the June orange art box, and we're gonna open it up and see what it's all about.
Yay!
All right, so let's open it up. Look at all the fun stuff. So I'm gonna move the box to the side, and you lay everything out over here.
Little fishies. Googly eyes. Starfish and stuff. A big fishy. Another fishy. Paint. Paint. Another paint. Another paint. And then a wood fishy. Orange art little thing.
All right, so here is all the pieces. And so what do we have? We have the paintbrushes. We have a shadow box, which what could you do with that? Looking at all the stuff, what could you make with the shadow box?
Make a little ocean.
So you could do like a little aquarium,
Yeah.
right? All right, so we got the cute little fishies. Love those. We've got 3 colors of paint, but can you mix paint colors?
Yes.
Totally, so you can mix the paint colors. We also have a foam brush, and then you have fine brushes, so you can have fun with that. You also have a little wooden fishy that you can make. You could put in here, or you could just do on your own, right? We have some big shells. You could have some fun with that, right? We have some small shells in here, and then you have a sand dollar and a little couple of sea stars. Don't you love that? Pretty awesome.
Sea stars.
We have some googly eyes. Oh, and look, a couple of the googly eyes have eyelashes, and there's some different sizes in here and different shapes. That is so fun. And then we have our little plushy fish friend. So adorable. And then we have some little balls in here, some little puff balls, right? And then some of these
seaweed.
Yeah, this totally could be seaweed, right? And the last thing in here are these glue dots, which act as like little dots of glue instead of having to get a glue bottle out. They're really easy. And there is 12 on one of these sheets, and you have 4 sheets. Right, so you could use these to put the eyes on, to the whatever you want, to stick all the shells if you want to put them in here. So lots of fun stuff. So what would you put inside your box here?
Fishies.
You put your fish in there. What else?
I'll put my stuff.
The shells?
Yeah.
So what else could you do with these shells right here?
Paint them.
You could paint them. You can make all kinds of fun stuff with those, right? You can make them into like little sea creatures or whatever you want. So much fun you can do with little shells. And then you could also paint your fish, which you could put your fish in here. You could have the fish on its own. Don't you love those little guys? They're fun, right? Links to get your own art box is down below. It's an affiliate link. Therefore, if you purchase something, I just get a little bit of a commission. Does not affect your price whatsoever. So you ready to say goodbye?
Yep.
All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye.